What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Crafting Cars. Today, we're going to head down to the 10th anniversary RX-7 where we have a whole bunch of parts we need to pull off before that car goes bye-bye. So let's go pick Afton up and we'll pick you guys up at the car.
How's it smell?
Not fucking bad.
All right.
Not fucking bad. And the gas struts still work. How about that?
Oh, it smells good in here.
Yeah.
This one actually smells like an old car.
That black carpet does look nice. Alrighty guys, so we're about over halfway done now. We're actually all pretty much wrapping it up. Thought I'd give you guys a quick update. I'll show you what I got here first. So obviously we got the seats pulled out. They're actually in pretty decent shape. They're gonna need to be softened up and whatnot. Afton pulled out the old radio with the equalizer on it and whatnot. Pretty nostalgic there. I managed to pull off the center bezel all in one piece. That's awesome. Here's that lower unit. This one's black, but we can make this work. Yoink the side mirrors with the motors in them and stuff, just because it's good to have backups of that. Here's the wing, which is a big component, big piece of what we came out here for. Afton yoinked. Check that out, huh? Freaking sweet. Going to be doing something special with those. We found these sick. I'm guessing these are all aluminum lower control arms. Managed to get those out. That was a pain in the old rumpus. Afton put in some work and we managed to find a little hack on them, but we won't talk about that. I decided to pull the center console. This one's black, mine's gray, and I figured this would match up to the base of that a little bit better if it was also black. And then inside here we got some more goodies, some more cool stuff. Another lower speaker vent. This is one of the kick panels. I'm still looking for a couple of the other ones. The shift boot with the shifter, the 10th anniversary MOMO shifter, which is awesome. That's the MOMO shift knob. I grabbed this new dash just because it's got all the switches and buttons on the back side. So this is a cluster bezel, whatnot. It's got all the switches and everything like that. Found the original title here, which is awesome. I'm going to be doing something cool with that and those logos. And here is the steering wheel. It's in a lot better shape than I thought, which is nice. So I'm going to be able to clean this up, do a little bit of restoration work on it, and save this one, and this will work perfect in the old RX-7. And when we first came out here and we're looking at it, oh, the bees are back. everything in here looked really clean and whatnot, but the more that I was actually digging around in here and whatnot, like the amount of, that's all like, I don't know if you can see all those feathers in there and stuff, and like there's dead things, and over there is even worse all over here. So this interior is unfortunately finished, and some of it because of the sun starting to rot away and whatnot. So there are some pieces that are really nice and clean. I do really like the all black, but unfortunately this wasn't in the cards. Sun and time kind of did their deed on them. So yeah, we're just gonna get back to it. Anything to add, Afton? Yeah.
I don't know.
We're out here getting our tans on, so we're gonna get back to it, wrap it up. It's getting hot and we're getting thirsty. All right. Afton and I are just getting ready to leave, right? And we see a little car over here, Audi Quattro. Not one, two. And that one is way cleaner than this one.
I don't know if this one is a Quattro. Look at this.
No, this is a GT Blaze, yeah.
Flares.
Fuck yes. Unbelievable. Oh, look at this, an Audi train here. Wow.
Oh shit, is that an intercooler down there?
Fuck yeah, it's an intercooler down there.
It's got an engine in it.
Holy crap. Look at this sucker just sitting here. Wow, that dash has seen better days. Whoa. But how sick is that, dude?
Yes.
Audi Quattro. Man, what a shame. Look at the room in the back seat there. Look at how long this wheelbase is. That is nuts.
Cool. Those might fit the Civic. There's a chance.
There's always a chance. 2005 was the last time that one was registered. 2006 for that one. Man, you just never know what you're gonna see out here. All right, so it's the next day. We made it back all good. Just wanted to show you a couple other things that we grabbed at the last minute. These are the door sill cards, black. Mine are gray, and we also grabbed the tack. The 10th anniversary only had 70,000 miles, so I thought it might be good to hang on to this. Plus, this is nice and mint and clean. But I think what I'm going to do now is toss on a couple of the pieces that I have. For instance, that bezel and the steering wheel. I cannot believe how good this looks. The steering wheel fits in here perfect. It feels nice. I wiped all the poop off, hydrated everything, wiped all the plastics off, hydrated that. I haven't hydrated the boot because I need to replace this. But the shifter cleaned up real nice. And yeah, as you saw earlier, I did grab the black one because I figured it would look good with the black here. Continue this all black, and maybe some other things black. We'll see. Have to see what comes in the mail. But with all that being done, that's pretty much going to be it for today. I'm going to go ahead and clean off all the other parts and start getting going on some of the other projects for next week's video. But if you stuck around this long, I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell all your friends, family, anybody else that you think of. I'll see you guys on next video. Bye-bye.